When you picture the perfect suburban neighborhood, you are probably picturing something like this. We are in Witherspoon, in a perfectly picturesque Brentwood location, surrounded by parks and hiking trails. And if you have school-age kids, it is walkable to some of Williamson County's best public schools. We're at 9226 Lehigh Drive. This is what I like to refer to as a Nashville Tudor. It's got peaked roofs and kind of a curved edge, and it's a little reminiscent of what you'll find in Alice Beach. And you can see some really strong versions of this, but this is a softer version, a little more toned down, a little more timeless. Here in the entry, it is beautifully light-filled with a gorgeous line of sight front to back, filled with natural light. And at the front of the home, you have the private office. You have an entire wall of custom built-ins, beautiful coffered geometric ceilings, and a wall of windows that continues the natural light. This is where your big, fun, noisy life happens. But don't worry, we have other entertaining spaces we'll show you. But this is daily life. You have the fireplace to warm up those cool evenings and keep it cozy, dining space, and additional bar seating for when you have those large gatherings. You also have a hidden pantry. Out here, you have the hard to find, rare, very private, level backyard. It is the perfect blank canvas for you to put your personal stamp on your custom pool. You can do soft English garden, grass pavers. You can go Italian with travertine and fire bowls, or build a resort pool with a water slide. It is really a blank canvas for you to put your personal stamp on. Tucked away at the back of the house is the primary suite, which is perfect if the party is still going and you're ready for bed. Also has the perfect space for a seating area. Nice and light-filled, and a great little perch for you to check out that gorgeous backyard you just created. And of course, you've got the light and bright primary suite. Gleaming white cabinets, gold accents, marble floors, the extra wide soaking tub, gorgeous tiled shower, and a huge closet, perfectly divided for two. And on the opposite side of the home, you have the garage and the friend's entry that leads to the main level guest suite. It's light-filled, neutral palette, timeless. And every bedroom in the home is ensuite with its own private bath and walk-in closet. At the top of the stairs, you have this open bonus room. There's another more private bonus room down in the hall, but here is perfect for watching the big game. You've got a wet bar and a deck that opens to the backyard. When you're walking through a potential home, you're always mentally picking out bedrooms. Well, this bedroom is separate from the other two at the other side. And here is for your kiddo or guest that wants a little extra privacy or maybe makes a little too much noise. Over here, we have two more bedrooms. Each, of course, have walk-in closets and ensuite baths. And this is what I really love. They have their own bonus room. If you have kids, this room is dying to be a bunk room or playroom where they can play their little hearts out, make a mess, and no one will ever see it. No littles, this is a perfect home gym, golf simulator room, or put some blackout curtains up and add risers and make this your home theater. And it may not be pretty, but everyone needs it. Here you have walk-in storage. A really great luxury home is everything you need and nothing you don't. A place to live, play, sleep, entertain, grow up, cook dinners, celebrate birthdays. This home wants to do it all with you. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for our next tour because there's always another picture-perfect home right around the corner.